Welcome to Island Time. I'm Kathleen Pogany with the Reynolds team, and I'm here to tell you the top 3 reasons why I love the Vero Beach condo community, the Village Spires. Reason number 1, location. You can't be any closer to the ocean and to the restaurants and shops. You're walkable to all of the hot spots in our central beach. You can walk right next door and grab a quick lunch or cocktail, or head to the luxurious spa at the Vero Beach Hotel. Reason number 2, the view. These condos boast wall-to-ceiling windows giving you 270-degree views of our Atlantic Ocean and the beautiful island. The best of both worlds. Beautiful sunrises and spectacular sunsets. Reason number 3, oceanfront amenities. Whether you're spending your morning running on the treadmill or floating in the pool, you will have beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean. Private beach access allows you to take a short stroll down the stairs, to take a dip in the ocean, or enjoy spectacular views. Like and follow me for more great hot spots on the Vero Beach Island. Take care, and remember, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.